Hello, my name is Paul Swanstrom. I'm the inventor of the Fast Bucksaw. We like to go camping. We like to go canoeing up in the boundary waters. And the saws that we had back then were pretty flimsy. They were made of aluminum. Some of them were triangular shaped. You couldn't cut a decent sized piece of wood with it. So we eventually managed to find a bucksaw. Bucksaws are the H shape to them. And we actually had a saw we bought out on the East Coast someplace that had basically the same structure. The blades actually folded into the handles, and this was all tied together with a piece of rawhide. Problem with that is that it didn't stay together. And half the times when you took it out of your pack, this was open a little bit, the things didn't stay together, and you pulled it out and you cut your sleeping bag or your clothes. A friend of mine, Cliff Jacobson, decided that if you put it in a bag, put all of them in the bag, they could keep it together. Big problem with that is, oftentimes when you're using a saw in the wilderness, it might be raining, and you put the saw away wet and put it in a bag. Next time you take it out, the blade is rusted. I've designed it so that you can actually nicely store this thing. The only time anyone has ever bought new ones is to give a present for somebody else. You can pass this on to the next generation or the generation after that, and it'll still work just as good as it ever did.